Here's the truth bomb that doesn't get talked about enough. On carnivore, insulin often gets very low, lower than it typically does when you're on keto. And for many people, that's exactly why carnivore feels so good. Lower insulin means easier access to stored fat, less hunger, calmer appetite, more stable energy. That part is powerful, and nobody's disputing that. But here's the part that most people don't hear. When insulin stays very low, the rules change. Energy still has to come from somewhere. And if body fat availability is lower or intake doesn't match demand, the body often compensates by increasing cortisol to keep things running. That's not failure, that's physiology. This is why some people on carnivore experience symptoms that confuse them, like feeling cold, fatigue despite eating clean, early waking or poor sleep, dizziness when standing, flat workouts. These aren't signs you're doing carnivore wrong. They're signs that the body is operating in a very low insulin environment, and energy availability matters more. And here's an important nuance. People who tolerate dairy often experience this less, not because dairy is better, but because it provides easy energy and a small insulin signal that buffers extremes. And before adding honey, fruit, or carbs back in, there are things to try within carnivore first. Increase fat, increase total intake, reduce aggressive fasting. Make sure energy matches demand, because when insulin stays very low and energy is insufficient, cortisol often rises to compensate. And here's another piece people don't always connect. Hormones are downstream of energy availability. So when energy is perceived as scarce, the body may prioritize survival over performance and reproduction. That can show up as reduced libido, lower exercise drive, feeling flat instead of energized, changes in sleep or morning energy. I'm breaking this down in a full long form video, including cortisol, dairy, blood work that can look off, and how to adjust without abandoning carnivore. I'll see you tomorrow.